What's going on, everybody? In this video I'm going to show you how you can import data into Excel from MATLAB. Let's get started. In the previous video I showed you that there are some reading commands. There were three of them. You could do a CSV read, right? You could read as a CSV, you could read as an Excel file, or you could read as a table, and correspondingly there are three write commands that you need to be aware of. The first thing I'm going to do is just generate some bogus data, like data equals magic 10. And you don't need to know what magic function does, but here you see I've got now a 10 by 10 numerical array of data. So what I can do now with that in memory is I can say CSV read, or excuse me, CSV write, and then I'm going to give it the file name that I want to write to, and that file name does not have to exist. Currently, there's no file on my desktop called MATLAB data, so I'll just say MATLAB data.csv. That's what I'm going to call my file name, and then as the second input argument, I'm going to give it what I want to write to that file, and I want to write data. So I'll do that, hit enter, and you will see now in my desktop there is this file MATLAB data.csv. Perfect. And as you know, now that I have a CSV file, I could read that in. It's easily read by Excel. In fact, CSV files are read by default by Excel on my computer. And we know about CSV files already in Microsoft Excel. So perfect. Now I could easily open that with Microsoft Excel. Now I'm going to clear this, or I'm just going to clear the command window. I still have data in memory though. Another thing I can do is say XLS write, XLS write, and I'll tell it the file name I want. So I'll say MATLAB data, but this time .xlsx or .xls, either one is fine, and I'm going to tell it what I want to write. So I will write that data. Takes a little bit of time. Bam, done. You'll notice on my desktop is MATLAB data.xlsx. Right there, it's a Microsoft Excel native file now with these numbers contained in the file. Perfect. Now, the third option I have, if I had a table of type table, which I don't, I have a numerical array, right? But if I did have a table, I could use, help, I'll just bring it up, help write table. And so write table is the function that I could use, and write table writes that table. And so I can give it the table and I can give it the file name. Perfect. So that is my other option. I can use write table, I can use CSV write, and I can also use XLS write. And just be forewarned, XLS write might give Macs a little bit of trouble. So if you're on a Mac and you're using XLS write, and you're not getting what you should be getting, then try CSV write or try using a Windows machine. All right, thank you.